Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another new release video. This week I have 4 collections for you guys, and I want to apologize. After I printed and cut everything, I realized I didn't design the deco sheets, so I'm going to be doing that tonight and have them up tomorrow when this video goes live, but I don't have them to show you because I forgot to design them. So also I'm going to try to get through this video pretty fast because I am losing daylight and stress. Not stress, but anyway. So let's just run through them real quick. So the first collection that I'm bringing to the shop, I'm going to zoom you guys in just a smidge, there we go, is 4th of July, and this is a reformat from last year. So we have our headers. Also, I don't know, let me zoom in here and show you guys if it will focus. I'm having a really hard time focusing, there we go. You can actually see the font and stuff on that color. I just wanted to zoom in and show you guys that. So we have headers, and then we have our little thing labels. We have our actual full kit, and as always, these sheets come in a la carte. They're only going up on the website because if you missed my last video, I am closing Etsy on April 1st. So nothing new will be going up on Etsy, and April 1st, I'm saying goodbye to it. And if you want to know why and you want to know all the details, check out that video. But yeah, so these are the full boxes for 4th of July kit. Then you have the functional sheet. You have your headers, half boxes, labels, your kind of sidebar stuff, bill due stickers, some currently reading, and then your date covers. Oops. Ombre heart checklists, and then your washi and your glitter headers. So that is the 4th of July day collection minus the deco, but there will be deco for this, so keep an eye out for that. Next up, we have my favorite kit out of the new releases this week, and it is our Mermaid Kit. So we have our headers, little thing labels, and then you guys, it's hard to tell because I've brightened everything up, but these full boxes, the colors, just everything, I'm really proud of that full box because I made everything fit and really worked on that one and designed it out of nothing. Basically there was no pattern, and then I took clip art and I just really worked hard on that. That's all I'm trying to say, but I love the full boxes of this one. You have your functional sheet, headers, half boxes, labels, etc., date covers, bill due, more labels, ombre heart checklists, and then the washi and glitter headers. So yes, that is the Mermaid collection. And again, this collection will have deco. I just failed to get it done for you guys for this video, so I'm sorry. Next up, I think, is a fan favorite and my Facebook group's favorite of all the new releases, and that is Farmhouse. This is also a reformat. Everything that you'll see today is a reformat from last year. But next week we do have a ton of new, never before in our shop kits coming out. So be on the lookout for that. But we have our headers for Farmhouse, the little things labels, the full boxes. You guys loved this kit last year, so I was excited to bring it back. Then you have the functional sheet, headers and half boxes, and then labels, sidebar stuff, date covers, ombre heart checklists, and then your washi and glitter headers. So like I said, that is the Farmhouse collection, and the Facebook is super excited for this one to come out. Lots of people voted as this one was their favorite. My personal favorite was Mermaid, like I just showed you, but I do really love this one and I loved it last year, so I'm excited that it's back. All right, and the last collection that we have in the shop is our Nautical Collection. So we have headers, little things labels. Oh, also Farmhouse will come with deco. All of these will come with a deco sheet. So we have little thing labels, and then these full boxes. I love this kit. I just think it's really pretty, and I just love everything about it. But it's, the quote box says, "Let the light guide you," and and it has a little lighthouse. I think that's really cute. Then you have your functional sheet, headers, half boxes, your date covers, sidebar stuff, some bill dues, some more labels, your ombre ombre heart checklist. This page is messed up, so obviously I won't be selling this one, but I figured just for the sake of the video it was okay. And then we have the glitter headers and the washi strips, and the washi says "Hope anchors the soul." I really like that. So yeah, that is our nautical collection, and like I said, it will have a deco sheet as soon as I design it tonight. So wish me luck. I have a lot of stuff to get done, and it's like a weird we're doing like a weird schedule this week because James has to go into work at like 3 p.m. each day this week, which is not normal for him at all, but given everything that's going on, he's had to kind of switch up his schedule and stuff and make sure he's flexible to be at work when they need like a manager per se. I mean, his title's technically, anyway, he's got to make sure that the project stays on task and whatnot, so he has to be there at different times for different groups and whatever. So this week he's been going in at 3, so I've been working from 3 to like 11:30, and it's just very weird and bizarre, and that's why I'm running out of daylight and I'm trying to get this done, and that's why I normally would have just done the deco and then filmed this, but I want to make sure that this goes up Friday like morning time, and I have all these ready in the morning, so that's why. Otherwise I would be getting it up like later in the day, and anyway, it's just crazy. Also, I want to mention, you may have noticed there's no PP week sheets and there's no Hobonichi, and that is because I said last week that, or the last new releases, I said that that would be going away possibly unless you guys wanted it to stay, and I didn't have anybody tell me that they wanted it to stay. Most of like the votes on Instagram and my Facebook group said, you know, just do away with it. They don't use that, so that's why it's not in the new releases. I'm not opposed to bringing them back, but there has to be like enough interest, and they have to be selling enough like to where I can justify spending time creating them. So that's kind of what happened there. So definitely, if you are a fan of those, please let me know, because, you know, I want to hear from you guys. What do you guys want to see in my shop? So let me know in the comments below. I will have a coupon code for this week for 20% off these 4 collections. And that includes like if you buy them a la carte or anything, but it'll be 20% off anything that you saw in this video. But I do want to mention and be open and honest about this. I am going to be in the Ultimate Planner sale next week, so April 3rd through the 5th, and I'm offering, I believe I'm offering 30% off site-wide, so these will be 30% next week. You know, so I want to make sure I let you guys know that, so that way if you are interested in that, you can wait a week and get everything you want for 30% off. And I'm going to have a lot more like new collections next week as well, so I want to let you guys know that. But if you are just in the mood to shop right now and want to save 20% on this, there is going to be a coupon code for that, and I'll put that right here. So yeah, I think that that's everything that I need to mention in this video. I hope you guys enjoyed these new releases. Let me know in the comments below like what you guys think of it, which one's your favorite. Definitely tell me. Oh, also one more thing, sorry, I'm like all over the place trying to get this done, but we will be offering premium mat. It will be coming to the shop next week for the Ultimate Planner sale. I was gonna try to have it for this week, but I didn't get it done. But next week, definitely I will have premium mat. It's here. I just have to, you know, make sure I get all the cut settings right and everything, but we will be offering that. It will only be available for full kits. So in a full kit, you can get your 4th of July labels and your headers as like a bundle. So you would be able to get everything in premium mat, but only for collections. Like, you're not going to be able to just purchase, you know, one page. It's not gonna be a la carte is what I'm trying to say, just because premium matte is a little bit more expensive and I wanted to kind of test out and see how that goes. But if it ends up being like a big thing, then I would definitely like expand that to single sheets and like a la carte sheets and all that. But for right now, just starting out, it will only be available like in bundles. So yeah, that is it for this week's new releases. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you did, and don't forget to click the subscribe button, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.